Traffic time. Willow Road. Gaitono kuti zvakamira sei pamberi apa. Now Willow Road, the thing is we are facing the sun. We are against the sun. Saka video yacho inonyatsobuda here baba. Zvazokutongoedza. Zvokuedza. Tonoti tobudirira here. Willow Road towards Glenview Budiriro. Pakaipa apa I'm chasing times singaite. I'm like behind time. I'm so behind time. You see how these people drive. You can undertake, you can overtake, you can, I don't know. Chikurukushika. Now we love your roads. They see a combi overtaking. These guys are always behind time. Always. People, okay, I'm just opposite Gazaland. Just opposite Gazaland, na Willowville Road. Gazaland Highfield. Yeah, that's a big pothole. You see, it's a one-lane car thing, but people are just like overtaking. During the peak periods, Panama, you can see like 3 lanes going the same way. So this is like a hectic driving. You have to be patient though. But if you are too patient, then you'll be stuck on the roads forever. Anonzima Wambi. Look at that. Gone. If you follow the queue, then you can be standing there forever. Can be stuck in traffic forever. There was one time I was stuck in traffic for a couple of hours and I covered only about 100 meters. So I covered 100 meters in a couple of hours. Imagine. Because the traffic wasn't moving. I think you can see what's happening there. You have to be cautious. At the same time, you have to go home. You have to get where you are going to. Sakapagaipa. There's supposed to be traffic lights here. It's a junction, but look at it. How hectic it is. We have got about 5 lanes. I don't know which way the opposite traffic is going now, because we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lanes here. Instead of 1, we have got 6 lanes. So we can be stuck here like, look at him. Huh? It's going against traffic. I think I'm gonna go this way as well. because I'm so behind time. Am I breaking the rules? I don't know. Because the thing is, if you don't do this, then you'll be stuck here forever. You'll be stuck here forever. Are we going to succeed here? I wonder. I wonder. Can see, guys, the way we are driving here in Harare. It's all because there's no control at the junction. There's no control, so you have to make your way. We are at Mashkwede. If you don't know Mashkwede, that's Mashkwede there. Don't know if you can see it clearly. So I'm going now towards Budiriro. There's a new complex here happening here. Oh. You know, at least something is happening. People are hustling here. A lot of building is happening here, so some people are doing their thing. So guys, look at that. Look at that. Am I going the right way? I don't know. Let me just keep going. Here we are at what's this place again? I always forget this complex. If I recall the name, I'll just say it out. But if I don't, then you can just put it in the comments section here. This one here. High Glen. Yes. This is High Glen Shopping Center. And I understand there are coaches that go to South Africa as well here. There's a coach station, like a bus station for coaches that go to South Africa. There you can see a few coaches there. And there are a couple of filling stations. There's one there. And there's another one this side here. It's hard to see. And I hear there's another one coming here again. So there'll be like 3 filling stations here. I don't know why they are so like in the same place. 3 filling stations. So guys, that's it for now. Thank you very much. Let me concentrate with my driving. I've shown you what I can for the moment. Thank you very much. You take care. We'll see you in the next one very soon.